Hey everybody, it's Amy Graham, the Badass Valkyrie, and this is something that I have not done in a while. Chic Sparrow, for the month of November, is having 50% off their second chance notebooks that are in stock currently. And I have been wanting to increase my B6 Slim options. I have my B6 Slim Dr. Jones, and it is a classic, but it does have a pocket on the outside. One of the only versions to ever have a pocket on the outside from Chic Sparrow. But I have been wanting to try their new B6 Slim Folio, and I ordered one for half price. I couldn't turn it down. I may still purchase a B6 Slim TN, another TN, but we will see. Right now, I don't think they are actually in stock, or at least when I ordered this one, they were not in stock. So I went ahead and got the Folio, but we will see what happens. Like I said, it's been a while since I've gotten something from Chic Sparrow, and I am kind of excited to do this unboxing. So this is their beautiful paper, which I love, and yay! Okay, I will not fiddle with the sticker. I do want to keep that, but as it has been a while since I've done this, I'm going to open up and see what's in here. Oh yay! Okay, I really wanted this sticker. Sorry if I'm like trying to figure out where I'm at. I have a new stand that is actually attached to my desk, and so it's kind of been, because my camera is over on this side, or on this side of the iPad. I have a 12.9 inch iPad that I'm using. And so trying to figure out where everything goes has kind of been crazy. But I really wanted this sticker. I just thought it was so cute. It's a little baby oak. So there's that. And then this is the postcard that talks to you about the different how to take care of your leather. And that's my invoice, and I'm not going to look at it because I would like to be surprised as to what I have. So we'll put all of that over there. It's been a while since I've had one of these second chances that I, have no clue about. They have gotten a lot of new leathers, and so I may or may not know what leather this is. So I guess we'll see. Oh, I think this is one of the tea house. I guess they don't actually put that. They in the actual TNs, they will, underneath the lip, they'll put what it is, but I guess they don't do that in the folios. Okay, this is either, well, hold on. Okay, this is the chai. So this is part of the tea house collection, and it's the chai. I thought it might have been the buttered rum, but it's the chai, which is totally fine. I have not gotten any of the tea house before, so I am pretty excited. So I am looking, I wanted to see if, I just happened to have them here to see if either one of these, I am using the B6 Slim, yeah, that's not going to work. So that's too big. And will this fit? This This is the Daily, the Jibun Techo Daily, and then this is the Jibun Techo Light. And I don't, well, the light might actually fit in there, but I may need to go with the, nope, it's not either. So that's all right. I just thought that I would check and see if that would work. But these are B6 Slims. They are, this one is from Paper Penguin Co. And that is a little tight. But I'm also looking at getting a B6stology as a notebook. So we'll look at that too. But I just wanted to kind of take a look and see what would fit in here. I don't think the Life book will fit. I think it'll be too big. Yeah. It's not going to fit in there without cutting that down, which is fine. Not that I'm going to cut it down. No. I will just have to, I have these two jump banded together, and then I slide it under here. So I am going to try a B6 Slim Stology in here to see if that will work. But yeah, it's a tea house. And these markings and everything on the tea house are very common. And yeah, so far I'm pretty happy with it. So I like it, and we will see what we can find to fit it. So there you have it. This is the B6 Slim Folio in the Tea House collection. And like I said, it's the Folio, not a TN. But I will probably have another a B6 Slim TN on the way at some point this month. So I am very excited for my baby oak little sticker. I think that is adorable. And yeah, very happy with my choice or my selection that they sent me. And I'm very excited to try the first of the Tea House collection. So there you have it. The first surprise unboxing in a very long while that I've had from Chic Sparrow. So I hope you guys are having a great day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.